Hello, my name is Brianna Wisman. Today I will be talking to you about my public service announcement, or PSA. I chose to make my PSA about eating dinner as a family. My target audience would be those families that have grown apart, have busy schedules, or even first-time parents. First, I would like to explain the ideas behind my design. As you can see, the font on both the top and the bottom are the same. However, the statement in the middle is different. I wanted to create this difference in order to capture the more importance of the main message. The statement at the top of the page is in red to catch the eyes of the audience and for them to understand that it has a negative interpretation, whereas the statement at the bottom is green to give off a positive message about spending time with family. I wanted to incorporate the first three photos. As you can see, they have some sort of modern-day distraction. The middle portion of the PSA is white to show a more neutral feeling. The pictures at the bottom of the page shows a positive outcome on what can happen when there is no sort of technology distractions at the dinner table. This PSA is designed fairly simple and creates a very good image in people's mind. Thank you all for taking the time to learn more about my PSA by watching my cast.